I have just had one very interesting experience. People usually, when hear about Thailand, they think beaches, islands, mountains, parties, and so on. But actually, Thailand has also a lot of spiritual places. And this weekend, I went in the middle of the jungle and visited this sanctuary. It's Den Mahamongkol, meaning the place for greatness, for goodness. And I took a very interesting challenge to spend 24 hours in the middle of the forest praying, meditating, chanting, and without any kind of civilization, no mobile phones, no internet, no TV, no radio, nothing really, to stay with my mind, with myself, with the nature, and to connect through prayers. And I can tell you that it's a very useful experience, and I'll start doing it more often. It's so beneficial when you quiet down the noise around yourself, coming from all kind of media and people, when you can spend some time within beautiful nature, and to really to be able to relax, to slow down, and then when you slow down, actually you find the answers. You also find some questions, and then you find more answers, and you feel more in one with yourself. So, I truly recommend, if you have a very busy life where you feel that things are going too fast, find time really to slow down, switch off the noise around yourself, and get connected with yourself. Get connected with yourself. Because only then you can truly find what you want, and you can feel that your path is the right one and you're going with the right steps. Take care.